How are you? Oh, good, good, good. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, that was weird. I never wear my study glasses because I don't study. Now, for today's video, I am going to bring you my favorite thrift finds. So basically, firstly, what is thrifting? I'll share a reading with you here. So basically, you'll get the idea now what is thrifting. Thrifting is like not buying from massive stores like H&M, Zara and everything you see in the mall, but being more sustainable, I guess. It was like buy from literally like Janpat, Sarojini and every like markets now. That is thrifting, buying from flea markets and all stuff. You are literally saving the environment and without burning your pockets. It's a win-win situation. So let's start. So one of my most comfortable pair of trousers is a thrift find. Like I have found this in Sarojini last year, I think. This is this pair. It's written Nike here, and literally, man, see this. This is so comfortable, so cozy, and like you can literally wear this in a mid-transition period to the winters. It is like it's warm but not so warm कि तुम summers में नहीं पहन पाओगे, right? That kind of material. Plus the look of it is stunning. I'm not kidding you. When I like showed this to my best friend, she was like, literally, man, this is so cool. And you find I've been wearing it for my like workouts or dance practices or like just you can create a monochromatic look with it, you know. And the hint of I love yellow color, if you know. I love yellow color, like mustard yellow is my vibe, and I literally love it. If I don't wear black, I wear yellow. So my second find is this bohemian boho kind of top. This is so beautiful, man. Like literally, I found it from like Janpat, and here's a crazy story I must tell you. पता है क्या हुआ था कि when I went Janpat like for the first time with a friend, and she was a college friend. I was in my first year, हाँ. तो हुआ क्या था? I like randomly looked at it and I was so in love with that कि मैंने बोला कि I'm going to buy it. And she was like, yeah, you should. This is very good. So हम गए तो I don't know. I don't have any bargaining skills at that time. तो नहीं थी. तो she was like, uncle was like, it was for like 500 or 600 for this. ठीक है? तो she was like, no, just 200. But पे इतना bargaining नहीं होता. That is I have learned. But she was new to Delhi. She wasn't from Delhi. ठीक है? And she was so good at bargaining, and I was literally standing there like मुझे नहीं आता कुछ, and that was literally so hilarious moment. But so उसने मेरे को ये वाला टॉप दिलवा दिया, and I'm so happy. And literally you have seen it in my previous videos. It was literally a good, nice kind of boho top. So my third and the fourth find are both from Sarojini, and both are skirts, and I'm so happy about it. And I don't know how many people have asked me कि ये skirt तूने कहाँ से ली, because it is literally something you will find in H&M or like more branded showrooms or like websites like Shein and Bahar. But I came to realize no, our Sarojini got it all. First is this skirt. This is a simple mini skirt in black color. It's pure like matte black. It's not leather. It's not shiny, and I love this like material. And it has under se this covering, so it will be not. It's not a thin material. You know, it has some quality in it. And the zipper in this is this side. See, it has a zipper in this side. Next is this skirt. This is a blue denim skirt. You might have seen this in my previous Roshni try on haul. If you have seen that video, I've shown the skirt in that video, and literally my friends have commented that they love the look of it, and me too. So see, it's a blue denim skirt with the gold kind of chain detailing here, and it's a little loose on me, but what's new? And nonetheless, I love this. The length of it is perfect. It's fine for me, and you can find so many trendy pieces on Sarojini, and I'm now realizing this stuff. Now next up is a dress which I have not brought. Which I have not brought, but my mom brought it for me for a few years back, maybe 3 to 4 years back, and this is the dress. See, it's so beautiful now. But for some reason I didn't wear it for straight 3 years. It was lying somewhere in my almirah, and suddenly, like this year, जब मैं cleaning कर रही थी, I realized कि ये मेरे पास है, so I just put it on. I was like, yeah man, that's good. And I was like, मैंने क्यों नहीं पहनी अभी तक? But better late than never. This is a dress. By the way, I've shown this dress in my previous fall lookbook video. Yeah, and it's literally very beautiful dress. It's very like, this print is beautiful, the belt detailing is beautiful, the color is all obviously pretty. The length is like, it's a mid-length. It's not a short dress. It's a mid-length. It's a decent length. So, by the way, my mom brought this dress from a market. It's Malvinagar Central Market in South Delhi, if you're wondering. So the next thing is, I've already shown it in my previous Sarojini try on haul video, but that was so good, I have to mention it also in this video. So it's this top from Sarojini. What's new? It's this top. It's originally from Forever 21, as I've mentioned it previously. बिकॉज इसमें सारे वो टैग्स नहीं होते, वो जो मॉल में शोरूम में उनके होते हैं, वो ओरिजिनली थे, और मैंने मुझे पता है कैसा निकाला है. बट हाँ, nonetheless, see, it's a very simple top, but the look of it is very sophisticated. The neckline, the rested neckline on it is very sophisticated. That's why I've mentioned it. Now, otherwise, it's just a simple basic crop top. Not a cropped, but whole length top. See, but yeah, the look of it is very gorgeous. That's why I mentioned it. And the last one is this top. See, I brought this also from Sarojini last year in winters. It's beige color. It's off-white. It's so simple. That what makes it so gorgeous and decent, and like, it's a really basic top, but you can dress it down or like dress it up. You can do anything with the basic tops like these. So I literally, this is like one of my favorite. So that is all for today's video. Comment down below which piece is your favorite too, and comment down below something good about this video, because I really like talking to you people. And subscribe if you haven't, and welcome to my tiny little family here. And that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.